With just 1 year left under the court's supervision, Charles Lewis Jr. has violated his court order. The now 19-year-old was just 13 when police say he and gang members, including his father, murdered Shayla Johnson. In today's checkup hearing, the judge heard testimony that Lewis tried to cheat on a drug test. As Ann Perrette reports, this could lead to Lewis spending the rest of his life in prison.
His most recent mistake could result in a life sentence for Charles Lewis Jr.
He should have known better. Should have known a lot better.
At age 13, Lewis was one of several people present when Shayla Johnson was dragged from her home, beaten and killed in an attempted robbery. Judge Economy has been closely watching the now 19-year-old since he was found guilty of felony murder. At today's quarterly commitment review hearing, Judge Economy learned Lewis tried to cheat on a drug test using a false urine sample. Lewis told his therapist and program director at the Martin Luther King Jr. group home that he drank because he's struggling with his mom's diagnosis of cancer.
7 years ago, I said to him, I expect to watch and make sure that you're doing everything you should do. If you trip over a branch, I can maybe accept that. If you step into a pothole, I will not accept that.
Judge Economy has to decide which category this offense falls under. What could you do?
Put him in prison.
Okay.
For the rest of his life.
At the hearing, Lewis's attorney reminded the judge all of his other screens have been negative, while his therapist admitted he's at a low risk for reoffending and has no potential for violent conduct. Judge Economy has 1 year left to decide if he agrees. In Lansing, Ann Perrette, Fox 47 News.
Judge Economy tells us he'll be paying close attention these next 3 months and could decide to have Lewis locked up again. Lewis is expected to start classes at Macomb Community College at the end of the month. His therapist says he just had a job interview and is expected to be hired shortly. The home would provide transportation and be able to check up on Lewis from time to time, but otherwise Lewis would be expected to self-report on his behavior.